Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add indicators on the TradingView mobile application using the latest 2025 update. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the chart tab at the bottom. At the bottom of your chart, tap on the analysis hub icon. It looks like a bar chart or graph. Inside the Analysis Hub, tap on Indicators under the Tools section. Here you will see three sections: Technicals, Financials, and Community. Make sure you are in the Technicals section. Now use the search bar at the top and type, for example, RSI, and tap on any indicator you want, and it will be added directly to your chart. Now go back to your chart. And that's it. You have successfully added an indicator on TradingView Mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more TradingView Mobile tips. Drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.